This van, we kind of redefined everything that was there. We look at it as this over-restored van with a bunch of modern amenities. So we kind of look like it's cut back a little bit, but it'll be a timeless piece from here on out. I'm Jonathan Goolsby from Hueytown, Alabama. Own Goolsby Customs, and we build high-end hot rods and muscle cars. So this year at SEMA, we brought a Dodge A108 69 model van, full glass house, big old gold box for us. First off on this, BASF got us these perfect colors right here. You know, a good orange that pops, a creamy white, and it kind of follows the factory style this van was. To enhance all this, machine trim from Low-Car and Greening Auto Parts did all our dog dish hubcaps and our headlight bezels. Advanced plating gave us the bright work to make everything pop. Our one big thing that we wanted was all this glass to pop out. So we cut all the window frames, moved them back, got all the new hinges, and made everything to where it would pop out just like it was from factory. Inside, plenty of room for activities. So Speed and Design did all our interior. We moved our doghouse back to get more clearance for the motor. 6.4 Hemi in here for plenty of horsepower and everything. So next we, plenty of horsepower with our 6.4 Hemi. Classic Instruments did a nice set of gauges for this thing. They look OE, but everything works off the modern stuff. Inside, we wanted to keep everything cool. Vintage air disc AC unit, another AC unit in the back that's hid. Our headlight bezels, all that was machined by Greening. Advanced plating also did it. Our advanced plating did our bumpers. We tucked them back, made the gaps fit real tight on that. Keep everything cool with this big old motor. CNR did us a good radiator. We built all the ductwork here that'll actually funnel everything straight to the radiator. So throughout, even on our hinges throughout the whole car, there's a ton of them because we got tons of doors. We smoothed all these, we machined little nuts and bolts and everything just so it gave it a clean appearance for all of it all the way around it. For our business here at SEMA, we get to meet so many new people, so many new vendors. It's a whole avenue of having everything we could do to make it easy for us to build these cars. So it's a huge avenue for us to be able to do anything to make our business a lot easier. So with the Battle of the Builders, it's a big competition against all of us buddies, We build these cool cars, we get to go out there, beat each other up on them. Once we, if you make it to the top 12, then we get to pick your ride. We're gonna sit there and nitpick every square inch of it. So it's a good competition with a bunch of good friends because we're all builders, we all work together, and we all support each other in this whole deal, and it makes it a good competition for all of us.